Ipirang subhay pi baro syakani ka channel kajongi bat hakani ka video ngin pai yakini ki post ki barang shulat thamai. Shabing in sedang yakani ka video sungguh subscribe yakani ka channel but turn on your new notification bell kanang bapinum do yaki videos ki bangi upload. Pila ruban follow yangi hapo ka Instagram kani ka di ka Instagram account kajongi. Yakini ki post lapalat daka staff selection commission lani ka SSC mentau banai arajar apoi. Kilat kini ki SSC Group B post bat ki SSC Group C post. Kelas date lani ka tarik bakat do bapilak ban submit ya ka application ke jampi kedai hau apply tarik banai Januari arajar arpoar. Ki SSC Group B post kilong kumne. Assistant Audit Officer ka upper age limit kedai lai post 6. Assistant Accounts Officer upper age limit kedai lai post 6. Assistant Section Officer upper age limit kedai arpau hado lai post 6. Assistant Section Officer IB upper age limit kedai lai post 6. Assistant upper age limit kedai kat pra hado lai post 6. Inspector of Income Tax upper age limit kedai lai post 6. Assistant Enforcement Officer upper age limit kedai lai post 6. Sub Inspector upper age limit arpau hado lai post 6. Inspector upper age limit kedai kat pra hado lai post 6. Assistant other ministries, departments lani organisation upper age limit kedai lai post 6. Assistant lani superintendent upper age limit kedai lai post 6. Divisional accountant upper age limit kedai lai post 6. Sub inspector NIA upper age limit kedai lai post 6. Baka junior statistical officer upper age limit kedai lai post 6. Mentapat ngin pek seiki SSC Group C post. SSC Group C post kilong kumne. Auditor, accountant lani ka junior accountant, senior secretariat assistant lani ka upper division clerks, tax assistant baka sub inspector. Ka upper age limit jong kini baro ka dekat pra do arponyos 6. Ka age relaxation kalong kumne. Kandan ka upper age relaxation hado sansnam yaki schedule caste lani ki schedule tribe, licenam yaki OBC, batch postnam yaki persons with disability. Ka educational qualification kalong kumne. Yaki group B post kalong kumne. Yaka junior statistical officer pihak ban pendap yaka bachelor's degree hakano ka subject bab pide binyo at least 100% ka marks haka mathematics probably pass yaka class 12 lani pila di ban pendap yaka bachelor's degree hakano ka subject bab kawai nakini ki subject probably puli haka bachelor's degree ka di bandeka statistics yakitu ki we ki group B post lanya kani ka junior statistical officer ka educational qualification kalong kumne pihak ban pendap yaka bachelor's degree. Yaki group C post ka educational qualification kalong kumne pihak ban pendap ya ka bachelor's degree. Ki candidates ki ba dan haka final year jang ka graduation ru kila ban apply tang ba pide ban dan yaki essential qualifications shwa ka apply tarik banai January arajar apoar. Ki candidates ki bilang eligible bagi ba kwa ban apply kini ki post pihak ban apply online link ba ka SSC recruitment portal ke badai ka https://ssc.nic.in. Ka official notification lani ka notice ka balak pelak hi dakani ka SSC kalau ai po description juga ni ka video di pilak ban download ka bat pilak ban pulih lada pi ka ban tip susu spang ki weki details.